the border between two plates. The first type of plate boundary is convergent plate boundary. Convergent plate boundary are locations where lithospheric plates are moving towards one another. The plate collisions that occur in these areas can produce earthquakes, volcanic activity, and crustal deformation. There are three types of convergent plate boundary. The first one is oceanic continental, oceanic continental continental. Subduction occurs when an oceanic plate runs into a continental plate and slides beneath it. Here are the example of convergent plate boundary. The second type of plate boundary is divergent plate boundaries. Divergent plate boundaries are locations where plates are moving away from one another. This occurs above rising convection currents. The rising currents pushes up on the bottom of the lithosphere, lifting it and flowing literally beneath it. There are two types of divergent plate boundary. The first one is oceanic, continental. Here are the example of divergent plate boundary. Third type of plate boundary is transform plate boundary. Transform plate boundary are locations where two plates slide past one another. The fracture zone that forms a transform plate boundary is known as a transform fault. Most transform faults are found in the ocean basin and connect offsets in the mid-ocean ridge. A smaller number connect mid-ocean ridge and subduction zones. Here are the example of transform plate boundary.